Zontes gear oil and engine oil replacement video tutorial preparation tools. Number 10, number 14 sockets, torque wrench, oil removal cloth, oil funnel, measuring cup, oil pan. Gear oil replacement. Use a number 10 socket to remove the gear oil filler cap and drain bolt. Place the measuring cup at the drain port to prevent gear oil from spilling on the ground. Wait for the gear oil to drain out. Note: do not discard used gear oil randomly. Please hand it over to a qualified recycling agency for disposal. Use the oil removal cloth to clean the drain port, then reinstall the drain bolt. Tighten the drain bolt with the number 10 socket to a torque of 20 Nm. Use the oil removal cloth to clean oil stains near the drain port. Use the oil funnel to add 120 ml of gear oil. Use the oil removal cloth to clean the filler port. Reinstall the gear oil filler cap and O-ring. Engine oil replacement. Remove the oil dipstick. Use the number 14 socket to remove the drain bolt. When preparing to remove the drain bolt, tilt the oil pan near the drain port to prevent engine oil from spilling onto the ground. Wait for the engine oil to drain out. Note: do not discard used engine oil randomly. Please hand it over to a qualified recycling agency for disposal. Use the oil removal cloth to clean the drain bolt and drain port. Reinstall the drain bolt and sealing gasket. Use the torque wrench and number 14 socket to tighten the drain bolt to a torque of 25 Nm. Use the number 10 socket to remove the 3 nut caps securing the jingle paint cover. Remove the green paint cover and follow the video method to remove the sealing O-ring on the green paint cover and use a degreasing cloth to clean the green paint cover. Install a new sealing O-ring and use a degreasing cloth to clean the surface of the green paint cover. Use a degreasing cloth to clean the installation position, the housing, and the assembly surface of the green paint cover. Follow the video method to install the green seal with the black sealing ring end inward. Reinstall the oil filter cover and the filter spring together. Follow the video method to reinstall the 3 cap nuts that fix the oil filter cover. Use a number 10 socket and torque wrench to tighten the 3 cap nuts fixing the oil filter cover to a torque of 10 Nm. Place the funnel at the oil filling port and add new oil. When replacing the oil filter, add 870 ml. If not replacing the oil filter, add 800 ml. Note that the oil must be added slowly. Adding too fast may cause oil overflow. Use a degreasing cloth to clean the oil filling port. Use a degreasing cloth to clean the oil dipstick before reinstalling it. Raise the main support, start the vehicle and let it idle for 3 to 5 minutes to check for oil leaks at all disassembled positions. After turning off the engine, Wait 3 to 5 minutes, then remove the oil dipstick and clean it. After cleaning, put the dipstick back into the filling port, making sure it is not suspended. Remove the oil dipstick and observe whether the oil level on the dipstick meets the standard. If not, add oil to the standard level, then reinstall the oil dipstick and the oil dipstick sealing ring. Thank you for watching.
I'm coming for the throne.